Alright, we're going to quickly cover exporting on the iPad version of Photo. You may have already watched the opening and saving tutorial, which covers file management, but in this video we'll explore the concept of exporting your work to a deliverable format, like JPEG, TIFF, PDF, PSD, and so on. So then, with my open document, we can find Export on the Document menu up here. Okay, and there's Export. So along the top, we've got our various formats, including the usual suspects like JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and so on. And also, if you're working with 32-bit material like scene renders, you've also got OpenEXR export and Radiance HDR. And for interworking with other apps, you've of course got PSD, PDF, EPS, and SVG. Let's look at a simple JPEG export then. So we've got various options here, including progressive export, which I will enable down there. Crucially, if you're editing in a wider color space, such as Adobe RGB, ProPhoto, or P3, you'll probably want to change the ICC profile here to sRGB. This will convert the exported image to sRGB and ensure your images display properly across multiple devices that might lack color profile awareness or color conversion. So once the export is generated, it'll give us a file size and it will allow us to tap OK. So we can then choose where to save our JPEG, either on cloud storage or locally, which is on my iPad down here. Here's another option for saving, however. Rather than OK, let's tap Share down here. This brings up the Apple Document Interaction Controller, and it lets us airdrop, pass the image to other apps, and gives us other options as well. Now here, Save Image will save the exported image directly to camera roll, so it will appear in Photos. Now if I do that, and then navigate across to the Photos app, indeed here we can see it's been added to the camera roll. Now, there's one last approach we can take with this as well, and that's to use the drag and drop functionality that iOS offers. So if I swipe up from the bottom, then tap hold to bring out the Files app, hover it here, and then release to dock it, I can, for example, tap drag a label like JPEG and offer it to the Files app and release. Okay, and there is our exported image. So there we go, just some coverage of the export functionality in Photo. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out the other video tutorials.